At the Kahani Lab, we saw stories come to life. To understand the vision behind it all, we sat down with the co founder, Nandini Kocher.
Hi, my name is Nandini, and I am the co founder of Nazaria Arts Collective. We started our journey 3 years ago when me and my co founder Ridhi were Teach for India Fellows. We were full time teachers to collectively a bunch of 200 plus grade 9 and 10 students in government schools. And through our time in the classroom with teenagers, we realized that they had so much to say and a fire within them, but they needed the space, the tools, the platforms to step into that potential. That according to a 2019 Oxfam report, 90% of Indian media is occupied by upper caste groups with close to no representation of caste, marginalized, and minority groups. And so we realized that what we need today is to raise a generation of storytellers from the grassroots who will go on to reshape the media landscape of our country. And that's what we're trying to do, one community at a time. What we do at Nazaria is we provide high quality media training and social justice education in photography, filmmaking, graphic design, journalism. And through our programs, we equip young people with the tools to express themselves, to build their voice and agency, and then to go on to pursue careers in arts and media. So the young people we work with take on internships in media houses, they work as freelancers, and they also have now started to pay it forward by teaching other young children and youth the same skills that they learned with us.
We also wanted to hear directly from the young creators at Kahani Lab, so we asked them about their experiences.
Hi everyone, so my name is Mehak Sheikh and I'm Nazara Youth Artist. Something that made me join Nazara is my passion towards social issues because I really like talking about social issues and to find solution toward them. And something that excites me a lot is the art forms that we use here. So like we do photography, videography, filmmaking, zine making, and the best part is zine making. I started my first zine only with the gender discrimination zine, and that's something I have showed to a lot of friends who were going through those issues.
Hello, my name is Azan Ansari. I'm from Nazaria. I'm youth artist. सो बेसिकली मुझे डॉक्यूमेंट्री टाइप अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हो सकता हूँ कोई भी चीज़ है क्योंकि वो रियल लाइफ में हो रही है और जो उसका ओवरकम हो रहा है वो भी रियल लाइफ में हो रहा है और जो मतलब जो चीज़ें होती है वो अपने आसपास भी होती है मगर हम उसको मतलब एकदम ईजी ले लेते हैं मगर वो सब चीज़ कोई किसी के लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है. सो इसके लिए मतलब मैं डॉक्यूमेंट्री प्रेफर करता हूँ. डॉक्यूमेंट्री मेरी लाइक बहुत सबसे फेवरेट चीज़ है.
Yeah, so after completing the filmmaking program, first of all, our films went to a lot of film festivals, and my film, which was Chitti, got selected and was a finalist in the Connector Film Festival. A lot of other opportunities come in my way after the filmmaking program. One of which is I became a Nazaria Youth Facilitator. I took my first flight to Kolkata, and there we taught a lot of kids about filmmaking, zine making, and photography. So I got a freelancing work with one of my fellow Nazaria artists. So we just transcribe and translate Marathi into Hindi and English. So and also I got selected for a creative writing workshop, which is in UK. It is a summer excellence program. So it is a very good news for me as well. And I got this through a scholarship. So it was all because of Nazaria that I got to explore creative writing and I got to write my script. So that's why it influenced on my forms and all those things. So that's why I got.
If I could share one message through my art, what would it be? I'd like to change the perspective of all the people who are homophobic or people who really do not support homosexuality or queer people. I want to change the narratives of queer community. I want to tell and let everyone know that there is a community called who are queer and they are not abnormal, neither is a disease. So this is what I want to change, that people start giving them respect and start treating them like as a normal human being, because we all are human. We do not change due to our love choices. So that is one thing I want to change through my art.
Hi everyone, my name is Alfisha and I am a Nazaria youth artist from past 3 years. If you are a male, then you just have to go out, work and come home, and if you are a female, then you have to work for kids. You just have to be a housewife, you just have to cook food and give to a family, which is not totally correct. You can be whatever you want.
Like for some people who are shy or can't speak out in public, maybe हमेशा बात करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. वी कैन शो लाइक हमारे टैलेंट से भी अपने पावर बता सकते हैं.
The one message I want to give to the world is the frame I create is the mirror to reflect reality and sometimes dreaming project. I want my art is to be journey to the truth, empathy and transformation.
I will tell that I show my power through my lens.
Through my art, I would like to tell young voices that each one of their stories matters, even if they can't express it nicely, but still they have something in their heart, something in their mind. So it does matters. Don't think that you are unheard or something like that. You are heard every time, and you just have to express your feelings in a way that you are comfortable with.
Through my art, I would like to share this message that whenever we feel uncomfortable asking why certain things are happening, it's okay to ask. If something is ongoing and you feel that okay, this is wrong or this is bad, just ask a question, raise your voice, and maybe that voice will create a change.
A key part of our partnership was sponsoring new creative tools for the lab. Witnessing the excitement as students unboxed these resources was an unforgettable moment. We left inspired, carrying with us their message, Dekho Hamara Nazariya. It's a reminder that every story truly is all about perspective.